Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we have two huge stories from crypto.com. 50 million CRO coins were burned today, and it is now official. Over 100 million transactions have occurred on the Cronos chain, which only launched in November of 2021, right at the peak of the previous bull market, right as we came into a bear market. And this is a coin, guys, that I'm very, very bullish on. Now, on this news, the price action has a little bit of lackluster. What is going on with this token, and what can we expect in the price action ahead for this project? Let's look at some words from the CEO of crypto.com today. Let's look at the charts, see what's going on, and take a peek at this burn. Guys, if you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you guys, and we are continuing to do giveaways. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay posted with everything that we're doing as these things pop up. Very, very exciting. A couple new members on the channel today. You can join in the link in the description down below. Today, though, Bitcoin is finally making its way back up right now, up to $42,500. Ethereum's finally starting to look green a little bit over the last hour. Let's see if we can get a continued move up. I've seen a little bit of a pump on some of these coins lately. Looking at the Cronos coin, though, we're still a little red on the day, down 2.19%. We were dipping below 10 cents today. I'd like us to secure ourselves back above 10 cents and then have a continuation above the 10-cent level and break through 12.6 cents. And you'd think that this would be news that might help us do it. Chris Marsliak coming out to Twitter and sending a bicep flex emoji, which is pretty sweet. Cronos has officially crossed 100 million transactions. This is a new post that they were able to put out just last night, really. And this is because people are starting to use the Cronos chain. Now, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done. There's only $320 million or $340 million locked up in the Cronos chain versus $1 billion in Solana and about $1 billion locked up in the DeFi ecosystem for Avalanche. So we've got some catching up to do, but clearly there are a lot of transactions going on this network, partially due to some of the inscriptions that were happening on the network, but nonetheless, 100 million transactions have officially occurred, which shows there is activity going on this chain, and quite a bit. 100 million is a lot. And today as well, a 50 million CRO burn. It is official. We had a 97% vote yes from the CRO fam. Everybody voted and decided we do want this burn mechanism to happen, and it is official. You can see the proposal details here, but we can see the actual burn right here. Burn history, boom, December 17th, last night, 50 million CRO worth $4.9 million at current prices. That's pretty impressive. That's a lot of CRO. We've already got 6 million set up in this community pool, getting ready for the next burn. Every 50 million CRO that is accumulated in this pool, it will get burned. Every time it hits 50 million, we'll burn it again. 50 million, burn it again. This is very good. Now, some people are wondering, why would CRO Coin not be pumping right now given so much of this exciting news? Well, let me just make it very clear, guys. 50 million CRO, while it sounds like a lot of CRO, isn't really that much CRO. There's about 25 billion CRO in existence, and this is just 50 million CRO. This is less than 1% of the supply, much less than 1% of the entire supply. And so people are wondering, why doesn't this pump the token like you see with Luna or like Shiba burns and all these burns like meme coins? Guys, let me be very, very clear. If you are focusing on just burns for a token, then you're not focusing on the right things. In my opinion, Luna Classic is a terrible investment because of the founders of that project. I look at the establishment of the project, I look at the founders, I look at everything that's going on, I look at the tokenomics as well. That's very important. 25 billion is a big supply, and 50 million is a small part of that. And the burn is a good story, but it's not like the thing that changes the whole conversation about it. And if the only value to your token is that you're burning it, it's not really a long-term play. That's a good pumpability possibility, but that's not a long-term play. We want sustainability here, and honestly, I like this. It's not too aggressive, but it is a little bit of news, and we can keep having these burns happening, possibly every month, every 2 months. Let's see how long it takes from, yesterday was the first burn. Let's see when the next burn is, and let's keep track of this. We're going to do that on the channel. But there's a lot going on. A couple of the tokens I like right now in the Cronos chain is obviously the #1 meme token on Cronos, which is Corgi AI, and Fulcrum. Two of my favorite projects really in the Cronos chain aside from Cronos itself. They're doing some promos there, so bringing in new users, attracting them to the ecosystem, which is good to see. Again, 100 million transactions occurring in the Cronos chain. Fulcrum is the leverage trading protocol on Cronos, and there's a lot of other great ones. dApps and DEXs out there like VVS Finance, Tectonic, that still have yet to have really any traction, and we haven't really seen a bull market with this ecosystem alive. The price action for CRO Coin, am I bullish on it? Absolutely. I expect $1 to $5 in this next bull market. $1 was basically the previous high that we had in the last bull cycle. Considering we still have the marketing partnerships for CRO, we see all these successful milestones from crypto regulation and getting approved and licensed in this country, in that country, the other country, over and over again, from seeing that now 100 million transactions are achieved on the Cronos chain, and now 50 million CRO were burned today, and more are going to be burned in the future. These are all good things. The leader is speaking out on Twitter consistently. They're doing AMAs with the community, and the CRO fam on Twitter is very, very strong, and community is very important. Community behind a token is very, very strong. I do see some CRO Coin haters out there, but honestly, I chuckle at them, and I encourage you to leave me a comment in the questions down below in that comment section. Whether you like or dislike CRO, please let me know. But I'll tell you, 10 cents is a key level. We're right down below it as Bitcoin's trying to move up right now. We're getting a good move right now, just on the day, and seeing Bitcoin move actually pretty significantly right now at the time of this recording, getting a nice little candle up on the hourly. We can expect some more potential upward action out of CRO. If I look at, let's go down to the hourly candles. Boom, we're having some green action. We're getting a little bit of a reversal. Hopefully we can get back above that 10 cents. The key level here is 12.6 cents, guys. In the future, I expect, again, a $1 to $5 CRO. But if you're wondering why this thing isn't exploding right now because of this burn, I hope that cleared it up for you a little bit. If you're excited about the Cronos chain and this is good news for you and you're excited about 100 million transactions on this network and you're using the network, let me know how you feel down below. Guys, that's all I got for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I have 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.